Good morning to one and all. This is Niharika studying 7th standard from Hindupur Narayana School. First of all, Happy International Yoga Day to all. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. Yoga is an ancient activity and discipline. Today, yoga became a global festival. The concept of International Yoga Day was proposed by the respected Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi, during his United Nations General Assembly speech, the initiative was established in 2014. The Prime Minister, in his speech, said that yoga embodies the unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well being. The United Nations General Assembly declared on 11th December 2014 that 21st June would be celebrated as International Yoga Day. According to our Indian culture, after the summer solstice, the sun becomes Dakshinayan. We all know that 21st June is known to be the biggest day in the year. On the day of 21st June, the sun rises early and falls very late. This is the reason why International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year with a theme. The first International Yoga Day was held in Rajpath in New Delhi on 21st June 2015 year. The theme of first International Yoga Day is harmony and peace. The second International Yoga Day was celebrated in the city of Chandigarh on 21st June 2016 year. The theme of second International Yoga Day is Connect to the Youth. The theme of 2020 International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home, Yoga for Health. The theme of 2021 International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. We all know that the whole world is going through the COVID 19 pandemic and almost every country has imposed lockdown in a certain form. Social distancing and a strong body immune system are the only available cues that we should follow. The 2021 International Yoga Day theme focuses upon telling people to stay motivated at home and practice yoga at home until this curse of COVID-19 leaves us. The venue of this 2021 International Yoga Day is our home. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to join or to unite. According to yogic scriptures, practicing yoga leads to the union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness. Yoga means not only physical exercises, it is an all round personality development at physical, mental, and spiritual level. Yoga is divided into six branches, namely Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Tantra Yoga. Practicing yoga is one of the ways to grow into a better human being and to live. Practicing yoga is one of the ways to grow into a better human being with sharp mind, a good heart, and a relaxed soul. Through the regular practice of yoga, we can improve our immune system. With better immunity, we can lead a better and disease free life. Yoga includes various postures, chants, mantras, and meditation. Yoga also includes breathing exercises. It helps to calm and relax the mind and soul. Yoga also helps to reduce the daily stress level and to live a healthier life. The aim of International Yoga Day is to raise awareness worldwide about the mental, physical, and spiritual benefits of yoga. Shirshasana is the king of all asanas. Sarvangasana is the queen of all asanas. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. By doing yoga, let's all improve our immune system. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.